We're at the Accenture Innovation Awards in Sandton. I've got Geoff Miller with me, who's the CEO of Transunion Africa.
I think small business lending in South Africa is absolutely a challenge. There's many great ideas out there and not enough financing to make sure that those great ideas can be turned into reality. I think what really underpins financial lending is information, robust information on the entities that they're trying to lend to. And unfortunately, because some of the poor data quality here in South Africa, banks are not getting the information they need to make efficient lending decisions. And as Transunion, we're trying to change that and really bring more automation and quality data to help the lenders make the decisions that they need to. So I think there's a bit of misunderstanding around what the credit amnesty is. The credit amnesty is not a situation in which the consumer's obligation to repay debt has been eliminated. In fact, what it really is removing of some information from the credit bureau reports. So they still own the money, but it's not necessarily reflected on their credit report. I understand the concept of what the government or the problem that the government is trying to solve. However, in our view, there are much better ways to go about that than a credit information amnesty has been proposed. Yeah, we're in a period of stress. We have a consumer credit index that looks at the overall consumer credit health, and it's been falling for the better part of 2.5 years, and it's at the lowest point almost to where we were in 2008 at the height of the credit crisis. We're seeing impairments are up, we're seeing inflation is really eating into the consumer's pocket. There's been a huge rise in unsecured lending over the last 24 months, and in our view, consumer is stressed on a day-to-day basis, and it's going to take a bit of time for this to wear out, and the economy being as sluggish as it is isn't helping the situation. No, not so much outside of South African borders. I think banks are very, very cautious. So the unsecured lending market isn't as robust as here in South Africa. We are seeing a lot of the developing countries start to put in the enabling infrastructure to spur on consumer as well as small business lending. So we expect it to be a very robust growth market for the next 5 years plus.